Hi, let's have a look at how we can do booking for tables in our club or restaurant. So what we have right here is the seating map for a club, and we have multiple types of tables. You see the colors are actually different. We have Shrek right here, but we also have an overview of how our guests will see the stage, their surroundings, so they know exactly what they want to book, right? So we have the couch right here, we have the table number 2 right here, we have options to actually book individual seats, and right here we already have selected one of the VIP tickets, which is a table. If we press it, we can add another one, and in this case we've booked another table. With the couch, we can actually see it in full screen, so we know exactly what we want to buy. And the checkout process is fairly simple. So people are actually buying their tickets, adding them to the card, and then they're checking out. When they arrive at your venue, they just show their ticket, and you scan it, and you let them in. So it's fairly simple.